currently 5:36 p.m. right now. Let's go. That's so crazy. It didn't take this 36, 37, 38, 3 minutes, which is what it says it would take. So anyways, I love it. I approve of it. Boom. Curly hair girls, no more fussing and fighting trying to get this onto your blow dryer. It literally just magnets to it. Easy. Easy peasy. Go get you one. I'm obsessed. I love the simplicity. I love the power. I love how light it is, because if you have a lot of hair, you know. But anyways, definitely go get you one. It's definitely worth the hype, and I'll link it below.